Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you add the Verizon app to a Samsung Smart TV. So here's a guide for your install, login and casting options. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. Make sure the TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the App Store. Press the home button on your Samsung remote. Select apps. Step 3. Search for the app. Select the search icon. Type Verizon or Fios TV. Step 4. Check the results. If the app appears, select it and choose install. If no version appears, that means it isn't available for your Samsung TV model or has been discontinued. If you want to manage your Verizon account, visit the My Verizon website using your TV's web browser if supported, or use the My Verizon app on your Android or iPhone for the best experience. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.